all the students are in
Come
AM,
on,
and
give
please
them
also
a
you
huge
also on the
round
stage
of
will take a
applause. I
photo.
think that was a power-packed performance. और जब तक इन्होंने white t-shirts पहने थे ना तब तक अच्छा लग रहा था. But the moment they wore those kurtas तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लग रहा था. I would want all of you all to bow down to the public one more time and
all get so engulfed, and we are all so busy with our daily mundane activities that it is so important for all of us to take our time to save our earth, because if we don't have these trees and we don't have our mother nature, we very soon lives will just wither away. The way animals are withering away, humans will start withering away. So I think it's a great initiative. Yes. So it's a great initiative, and heartiest congratulations and all the best. And here's to many, many more.
Thank you, Akansha ji. Thank you for being here. Here's your sapling. Sarah will help you. Now we'll have National College for the audience.
स्पेशली ये जो फ्रंट साइड है यहाँ पर अगर आपका कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम नहीं है तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि आप बैठ जाएं आराम से. ऑल ऑफ आर लवली स्टार्स और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, पीपल जिन्हें हम यूजुअली स्क्रीन्स पर देखते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखते हैं, अपनी मोबाइल की छोटी सी स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर हमारे बीच आए हैं. दे ऑल कम फॉर यू, आपसे मिलने के लिए, आपसे बातें करने के लिए ही यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब हम बांद्रा में जहाँ खड़े हैं यहाँ पे रोजाना आप लोग वॉक करते हैं, समथिंग दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू एंड फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो. आज उसी जगह पर हम यहाँ पर ये इवेंट होल्ड कर रहे हैं एंड एवरीबडी हु इज हियर is for you. So once again, a very humble request to anybody who's there in the front, if you don't have a very important work, please take a seat, be seated and enjoy the entire event as it flows. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने वाला है मेरी बात.
नहीं मतलब सुन रहे हैं लोग, पर्यावरण में बदलाव आ रहा है. पीपल आर टेकिंग रियली गुड इनिशिएटिव फॉर एनवायरनमेंट, जैसे कि बीच क्लीन अप ड्राइव जो हमने की, बिस्लरी के साथ हमने मिल करके रिसाइकल प्लास्टिक बेंचेस लगाए जो आप काट रोड पे और बैंड स्टैंड्स पे, मल्टीपल प्लेसेस पे आप देखोगे तो रिसाइकल बॉटल्स जो बिस्लरी प्रोवाइड करती है सिंगल यूज़, उसको हम रिकलेक्ट करके मल्टी लेयर प्लास्टिक MDF के कन्वर्ट करके आज हमने बेंचेस बनाई हैं. तो ग्रुप के डायरेक्टर दानिश भाई हैं, दानिश खान जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका. ऑल द वे फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश आप यहाँ पर आए और हमेशा से आप एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर सपोर्ट करते हैं. इंदर कटारिया अगर आप है तो प्लीज मंच पर आ जाए. अरुण हिरानी प्लीज मंच पर आ जाए. आइए. आसिफ बावला जी आइए, प्लीज मंच पर आइए. तो हम ये कहना चाहेंगे आपको कि हम अगर पर्यावरण की बात करते हैं तो ये सिर्फ मेरी ये सब्जेक्ट सिर्फ मेरा नहीं है. या
that we are safe in Mumbai. सोचिए आपको इतनी गर्मी हो रही है, उसके बावजूद भी मुंबई का टेम्परेचर बाकी हर जगह से बेटर है. if you compare it to Delhi, if you compare it to even Nagpur for that matter, तो यहाँ पर अगर ये टेम्परेचर बेटर है तो सोचिए वर्स्ट कितना वर्स्ट हो.
Absolutely Madhya. And when जब हमने ये कैंपेन स्टार्ट किया तो there were a lot of people who actually supported this. The voices coming from influencers, for the people who follow our matters a lot. हम आप बस आप आज देखेंगे कि भूमि नमस्कार जब हम कहते हैं तो उसके पीछे हमारा मकसद क्या है. There are a lot of mind thoughts and exchange will be happening. But to make this evening more beautiful, we have Malaika Arora ji. Malaika Arora ji, welcome to the Bhamla Foundation Bhumi Namaskar event.
Can we hear a cheer from all of you?
जोरदार तालियां Malaika Arora Khan जी के लिए. Malaika Arora जी के लिए because she was the one who actually participated in this whole video campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. And मैं चाहूँगा again आज जैसे हमने देखा कि it was always contributed by our supporters and contributors. We have the team 360 Health, if they are there. I So 361 with IFL had been always big supporter of Seher Bamla. I request you to please come on stage to present this lovely award. Asif Bamla ji, अब मैं चाहूँगा कि please आप मंच पर आए. Seher Bamla ji to present this award to 360 Wealth. So Deepti, thank you for all the love and support you've been giving. 360 Wealth has been always participating in the causes. Seher, please come on stage. And along with that, we have some really important person over here.
We have Mr. Kiku Sharda in
Kiku
the
Sharda ji,
house,
please मंच
ladies
पर आए.
and
Kiku Sharda
gentlemen.
ji, the Kapil Sharma show fame. Kiku Sharda ji, कोई नाम के मोहताज नहीं है. Kiku ji, please come on stage and present this wonderful trophy to Deepti.
क्या बात, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनको जो हर शाम हमें जोरदार हंसाते हैं. Mr. Kiku Sharda is here with us. I love the enthusiasm, guys. And this is a felicitation for 361
And
for
Kiku
Miss
ji, without
Deepti.
आपकी वो सारी बातें कि वहाँ पर कपिल शर्मा, thank you Deepti ji. Your thoughts on environment, your thought on actually what climate change is.
No, but it's a great initiative and it's extremely important. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम environment के लिए कुछ करें. तो मतलब मेरा बस मानना है कि the least we can do is take care of the environment because this is where we live. ये हमारी ज़मीन है, हम यहाँ पर हैं और हम सुरक्षित हैं क्योंकि environment है. अगर हम गलत करेंगे हमारे साथ गलत होगा, ये तो खैर जाहिर सी बात है. But anyways, thank you for having me here and Asif ji and the foundation, the Bamla Foundation is doing a great job and I'm extremely grateful to them for taking up something like this. They've been doing it for years and yeah, so thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you,
कीकू
गुरु जी.
जी, जाने से पहले आपको एक ऐसी आपकी कोई हैबिट बतानी है, आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की कोई हैबिट जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए अच्छी है, जो सस्टेनेबल है नेचर में.
हैबिट जो अच्छी है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी हैबिट्स है नहीं मुझ में, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ी चलता है मेरी जिंदगी में. बट क्या कहूँ, आई गेस द ओनली थिंग, आई डोंट नो अगर आपने इंस्टाग्राम में वीडियोस देखे होंगे मेरे, तो घर पे बहुत प्लांट्स हैं मेरे जिनसे मैं बड़ा प्यार करता हूँ. एंड यू नो आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट नॉट एवरी डे but there are certain days जब I water the plants and even I talk to the plants. बड़ा मजा आता है, आप भी ट्राई करके देखिए. अगर आप अपने प्लांट से बातें करें, जवाब तो वो नहीं दे पाते हैं लेकिन बातें करके बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, that's probably the only thing, one of the only things that I do. Yeah, thank you.
आपको तो जरूर जवाब देते होंगे. Thank you Kiku ji, thank you for all and I will go to see you. कपिल शर्मा शो तो हम देखते हैं, बट आपने जिस तरह से लोगों को हंसाया है और एक थेरेपी दी है, which has always been great. And we seeing a lot of other places. गौर गोपाल दास जी, बहुत धन्यवाद आपका आने का, आपका आशीर्वाद इस भूमि नमस्कार पे रहा है. मैं आपको बस थोड़ी देर बुलाऊंगा. हमारे बीच हमारे आमदार आशीष शेलार जी बस कुछ ही मिनट में पहुंचने वाले पे हैं. और कुणाल सरमरकर जी इज हियर फ्रॉम दी शिवसेना. सरमरकर, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव सपोर्ट यू गिवन टू द फाउंडेशन. मदिया, आप देख रहे हैं कि लोग जुड़ते जा रहे हैं और ये महफिल अब बड़ी होती जा रही है और हम सब मिल करके भूमि नमस्कार के बारे में बात कर. परिवार एक्चुअली हमारे यहाँ के आमदार एडवोकेट आशीष शेलार जी यहाँ पर मौजूद चुके. जोरदार तालियां
आशीष शेलार जी के लिए. We also have director R. Balki in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a huge round of applause to both of them.
Malaika Arora and Ashish Shelar ji greeting each other. Mr. R. Balki, the man behind Bhumi Namaskar. And absolutely, this was completely impossible without Godrej, the team of Godrej Property, Godrej Industries and Godrej Lafair, who's been contributing to this great campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. Michelle, if I could just see you around. Hi, Michelle. Yeah. So we have the big round of applause for entire Godrej team for supporting this cause and putting all their efforts to create this environment initiative of Bhumi Namaskar and also going into sustainable way. आशीष शेलार जी हमारे पास मौजूद हैं और साथ ही साथ में आर बाल्की जी हैं, आसिफ बामला जी इनको रिसीव करते हुए, नेहा जगत्यानी मैम इज ऑल्सो हियर, गौर गोपाल जी। हम कैंपेन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे और इस कैंपेन को आगे ले जाने के लिए हम कुछ एक्ट्स आपके बीच में लाएंगे। So जैसे आपने देखा कि 2023 was about single-use plastic, was about beat plastic discarded using using single-use plastic, and we came up with multiple policies and multiple other awareness campaigns with the agencies and stakeholders about the battle against single-use plastic. तो single-use plastic के लिए आसिफ बामला जी जो टिक टिक प्लास्टिक हमने कैंपेन किया था, let's have a review of that.
मैं हूँ मदीहा और जो सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक की हम बात कर रहे थे उसी को दर्शाने के लिए वी हैव अनदर परफॉर्मेंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। और मैं Come on, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। We've got Malaika Arora, a woman जिनका नाम ही उनके काम के लिए काफी है, Malaika Arora, and of course we have Mr. Ashish Shelar, who does not know him. Both of them are here with us today for this campaign. Firstly, thank you so much for joining us.
दानिश भाई से भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज वो मंच पर आए, and आसिफ बामला जी along with Seher. Ashish Shelar ji, your thoughts? The government has been really working.
No, but we really want to know things from your end. So, ladies, first से start करते हैं. We'll start
Dr.
with
Jayashree Sharad and Elnaz Nausir, please requested to come on stage. Elnaz ma'am, please. Ashish ji, your thoughts on this World Environment Day?
Let me congratulate Asif Bhai and Bhamla Foundation for organizing such a wonderful event. Of course, you do that every year. And World Environment Day, many times you have seen the events and the discussions which only lie between the boardrooms. Actually, what needs to be done? What are the impacts of our act? How it is causing a danger to the society, to the marine life, to the common man, that needs to be presented innovatively. And what Bhamla Foundation is doing exactly the same thing, that the percolation, the communication, the dialogue with the society with a very correct way and a correct participation, as we have seen today, Malaika ji is here. And therefore I think this kind of bond for the betterment of the society on the World Environment Day itself, I think, which is a very great thing to do. I congratulate Bhamla Foundation. I request all the citizens also to participate by their own way to achieve the sustainability, to see that the no negative impact can come on the environmental issues as such concern, and let's work together for the same. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू आशीष शेलार जी, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने हमारा हर एक वो योगदान हमारी धरती के लिए बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल रहेगा। जैसे मलाइका जी ने इस भूमि नमस्कार ने अपना योगदान दिया है, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मलाइका जी टू प्लीज शेयर अ थॉट ऑन भूमि नमस्कार ऑन वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे।
Thank you very much. Namaskar, everybody. Firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Bamla Foundation, Asif and his wonderful daughter Seher, for making us part of this beautiful campaign, Bhumi Namaskar. I feel truly proud and privileged to be part of it. I'm not here to give you any unnecessary, unsolicited advice. But as a citizen, as a responsible citizen, all I would say is do your bit for your environment, do your bit for whatever is close to you. I think we always say a little bit of help starts at home. बाहर जाने से पहले घर पे start कीजिए. I think that is the most important. And small efforts eventually become big and eventually make a lot of difference in life. So yes, once again, I feel humbled to be standing on the stage with such amazing people. So thank you so much. Sheilaji, it is wonderful to be here for all that you do for our community and everybody sitting here tonight. Thank you all for being present over here. And once again, I'd like to congratulate the Bamla Foundation. Keep doing the wonderful work that you do. We are just happy to be part of it. And we will extend our support year after year after year. So thank you so much.
Thank you, and you did actually, Malaika. You know, with all their contribution for the Bhumi Namaskar, which is the campaign which is launching on the 11th, which you're going to see.
Let me give a little heads up on the Bhumi Namaskar campaign, since our Ashish Shelarji is also here. That this is a campaign that's curated by Al Balki ji. I am perpetually not calling Al Balki ji earlier because I know if he comes earlier, he might leave earlier. So that's why I want him to stay back for some time to unveil the poster. But it was an idea of Sir's, and we suddenly developed that. And fortunately, we had great people, great minds. Of course, Shan is there, who's curated the campaign. We have Aman, who has done fabulous, who's done the music of Bhumi Namaskar. He has done a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Aman. And of course, the stars who made it big, right from Abhishek Bachchan to Varun Dhawan to Malaika ji to the great man Jackie Shroff. A very big hand to him. He has done it so fabulously that Balki ji, when he saw the clips, he got more motivated towards getting more better work done, if you remember Balki ji. Because he really did it with the zeal, the heart in which he does it. Thank you so much, Jackie Dada. And there were all many. We have Shreya Ghoshal ji who sang it. And number of, actors. And Ashish ji, I will request you to also share that campaign once it's out in the public domain. So that also will send a good message across to all of them. Of course, the stars are going to share it on their platform, but it's going to be by far the biggest campaign with the United Nations Environment Program and, of course, the Mahanagar Palika also. Let me tell you, they've also supported this campaign in all ways. We've had Bisleri, who has supported this campaign in a very big way. I have my dearest friend from Bisleri also who's here. And so Mr. Angelo was supposed to come here, but he's not here. We have the Honorable Commissioner here also. Sir, just make the Honorable Commissioner sit there for a minute because we need to. Okay. We will call him to unveil that with Balki sir. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, a very, very big round of applause. I can't hear you guys. Come on, जोरदार तालियों से महानगर पालिका के महाआयुक्त हमारे भूषण गगरानी जी यहाँ हैं, आल बाल्की साहब के बाजू में बैठे हुए हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Balki sir, that is Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, our commissioner, and Balki sir is the man who curated this beautiful campaign for us. So everyone, once again, thank you, and I think Ashish ji should be. Baki ka you
Absolutely, Asif bhai, you said it right, and I request Asif Bamla ji and Malaika ji to present a sapling to Ashish Shelar ji. Do we have a representative from Mufti? Please come on stage. Disha. And all like-minded people are here. Elnaz Naraoji, the beautiful actress. Elnaz will receive a sapling from Malaika. Anasia, your thoughts on the environment.
Hi everyone. I'm not gonna take much of your time. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Special thanks to Bamla Foundation. I think these kind of events, these kind of initiatives are so important. We can see every day how our world is literally going down in front of us. I'm not gonna give too much of gyan because we get too much of that all the time. But what we can do is we are in the land of Mahatma Gandhi. All of us have heard, be the change that you want to see in the world. So I start with myself. I try to save water. I try to recycle. Today I'm wearing a dress I've worn before. I know many times we hear actors don't repeat their outfits. But here I am saying we should save energy. We should do, as Malaika very beautifully said, whatever is in front of you. That is what you can do. If you say, one person se to kuch nahi hota hai actually. If 1 million people say, mujhse kuch nahi hoga, then we have 1 million. Yes, then we have a problem. So please start with yourself. And thank you so much again for having me. This is something I really love to support. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
You need to present one award. I request Rich Boys, Gaurav Rich Boys, and Niti Goyal to please come on stage. Can I have a trophy for Niti Goyal ji, Nari Niti? She's been supporting this cyclothon on the World Environment Day, plus all the support to the Bamla Foundation, and he herself has established an organization, Nari Niti, jo khana chahiye, jo Sonu Sood ji ne kaha, is actually a very hard work of Niti Goyal ji. I would request Malaika and Ashish Shelah ji to present this beautiful trophy to Mrs. Niti Goyal ji.
हमने आपके लिए आशीष जी को रोक के रखा है कि आप भी ट्रॉफी देंगे, क्योंकि इन्हीं के साथ आपके मित्र आने वाले थे, तो मैंने कहा आप यहाँ
So this wonderful trophy award, the Green Crusader Award, goes to Niti. Please join. And another Green Crusader Award to Rich Boy teams. Ashish Shelah ji, a small Alana, you.
We welcome
absolutely.
Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very big round of applause for Nadir Godrej. Michelle, thank you for escorting with sir. A very big round of applause for our very dearest and very nearest patron of the foundation, Nadir Godrej sir. Thank you so much. I'm so honored that you have been such an inspiration on sustainability, and we learned so much from you, and you've always religiously come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And आप देख रहे हैं, we have the Honorable Municipal Commissioner of MCG and Administrator, Mr. Bhushan Gagrani is here. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shelar Saab.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give all of them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much for taking out time and being over here for us, for the environment. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए Malaika Arora, Ashish Shelar, and for all of our delegates who are here on stage with us.
Thank you. तो जैसे कि आपने देखा मदिया की people from all walks of life. If I say I'm talking about an environment, it's just not that I'm an activist or I run a foundation. Like my Amdar Ashish Shelar ji, please मंच पर along with Malaika Arora ji to please come on stage. जोरदार तालियां and please welcome Edward बालिका को. आज जिम्मेदारी हमारे भूषण गगरानी जी को है. मैं चाहूंगा हमारे एचएस वार्ड के विस्पुते साहब, विनायक विस्पुते साहब भी वो प्लीज मंच पर आए और इनको इन सबको एक साथ इकट्ठा करने में जिसने बहुत बड़ा रोल अदा किया है पिरा है द गोदरेज इंडस्ट्रीज. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर नादिर गोदरेज टू प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज. मिस्टर नादिर गोदरेज, मिस राशि खन्ना, आपने देखा होगा फर्जी और ऐसे कई सारे ओटीटी में द सुपरस्टार राशि खन्ना to please come on stage, along with the man who created Bhumi Namaskar, Mr. R. Balki, also to please come on stage, and the founder of Hangama Music, the partner of the Bamla Foundation, Bhumi Namaskar campaign, Mr. Neeraj Roy, also to please come on stage. Mr. R. Balki, Zordar Talia for all these wonderful people. And Mr. Gaur Gopal Das also to please come on stage. You can see these wonderful people coming on stage and talking about one single agenda, which is environment. And Jackie Dada, please. आप आगे आए, जग्गू दादा.
जब
Can I have few more lights?
वक्त का पूर्ण प्रयोग करें, हर एक इंसान से मिले. He's right now meeting a lot of people on backstage side. लेकिन जग्गू जी, we request you to please join us on
Siddesh
stage.
Sharma ji from Baidyanath to please come on stage. Siddesh. Bhavin, we are going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Are we ready? So, so Asif, I want all this eyes on the screen as we're going to launch Mr. Nadir Godrej ji, the campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. So I request everybody in the audience and on stage to please turn around and have a look at the launch of Bhumi Namaskar. Bhavin? So this is World Environment Day, Bhumi Namaskar, conceptualized by Mr. R. Balki, championed by Mr. Asif.
With the golden heart, ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause to Jackie Shroff.
Yeah. Jaggu Dada, Bhumi Namaskar. Bhavin, Take Bachchan, Shekhar Rajwani, Malaika Arora. Have you seen that she was here? And all these artists have come together with Bhumi Pednekar, also talking about Bhumi Namaskar. Bhumi Namaskar के बारे में ज़्यादा बताने के लिए मैं चाहूँगा आसिफ बामला जी, आप अपने बारे में भूमि नमस्कार के बारे में लोगों को बताएं.
A very warm evening to everybody. I request the Honorable Municipal Commissioner, sir, to please come here. Jackie Dada, aap aiye. You're the face of the campaign. Gaur Gopal Das. We always need a very religiously right person to give the blessings when वो कहते हैं शुभ शगुन मानते हैं और भूमि नमस्कार स्वयं एक शुभ शगुन की बात है. Mr. Godrej, please, can we have you? And of course, the man who thought about the entire team, Mr. R. Balki is here. Can I also request Romanchak Arora, if you don't mind? Romanchak, can we have you on the stage?
Romanchak Arora, the
Mr.
director,
Neeraj
producer.
Roy of Hangama is here in a huge round of applause. Please, can we have you also here? Shan ji, aap aiye, aur Aman ji, aap bhi aiye yahan. Romanchak is, as usual, a very casual man, unlike me. Rashi Khanna ji, aap bhi aiye yahan with, on the left. So let me first tell you all that Mahanagar Palika, when it heard the theme, which was curated by Mr. Balki, it lended us the support of offering us the logo of the Mahanagar Palika, the background support of the gardens, which was supported by Mr. Visputeji. Visputeji is our local H-West ward officer. Is he around here? A very, very big round of applause, sir. विस्पुते की शिकायत रहती है कि हम अमूमन भूल जाते हैं उन्हें, जो हम कभी भूल भी जाते हैं. लो इस बार आपकी शिकायत कोई नहीं रहेगी सर. थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले जो है हमारे जो मार्गदर्शक हैं मिस्टर गोडरेज, in a very short way, if you can explain a little bit of and on environment, I would like to begin with Mr. Godrej because he has been a great inspiration to us, a man who we look up and upon to for all our environmental endeavors, because Godrej as a corporate has been a very sustainable brand. So without taking a lot of time, I give Mr. Nadir Godrej Zordar Talion se. I can't hear your voice. Zordar Talion se. A very big round of applause to Godrej. If I can also request Michelle to please come up on the stage. Thank you so much. And if I request my friend from Bistleri, please, my dear friend, please come over. Rahul, na? So let me begin with Mr. Nadir Godrej saying a few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Welcome. It is no longer climate change within a tolerable range. A crisis is what it's about, with fires, floods, as well as drought. And on this World Environment Day, let's resolve to find a way. This year's issue, we understand, is preservation of our land. Now at Godrej, our CSR helps to take us very far. Multiple benefits is what one sees with water projects or growing trees. Good livelihoods are created, our carbon emissions are abated, different species can be tried, useful products can be supplied, like biomass or edible fruits, and yet the trunk and the roots can sequester carbon, clean the air, a win-win that is very fair. We have many kinds of biomass, groundnut shells, straw or bagasse, high energy bamboos on the way. A major role it can play. The energy density is high. It's something that we need to try. Much progress we will see with the latest technology. If India is to achieve its goal, technology must play a role. The right incentives are what we need. If they're in place, we can succeed. Regenerative agriculture has a role to play. Tree-borne food is another way. In India, oil palm will rapidly grow. From Pongamia, many benefits flow. New varieties have high yield, unlike oil seeds grown in the field. The roots and trunks are a carbon store. For many years, they can endure. Terviva could ingeniously succeed in converting this inedible seed into something you and I can eat. Indeed, an extraordinary feat. We can replace fruit from fields with better food and higher yields from trees that are very green. Many benefits can be seen. Yes, CSR can be a hit, but everyone must do their bit. Reduce your waste, plant a tree, consume less electricity, no matter whether big or small, just take a sustainable call. Do not do it in isolation. Spread the word in every nation. The support from Maharashtra state has always been very great. Our thanks to the Bamla Foundation, the Environment Ministry of our nation, Greater Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the Environment Program of United Nations, and Bollywood Hangama for spreading the message very far. And to everyone who came here to both support as well as cheer, if all of us cooperate, climate change will abate. We must act now. We shouldn't wait. It's not too late to change our fate. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Nadir Godrej ji. You actually spoke about the real work what Godrej industry is doing. Jackie Shroff ji.
सभी को सादर प्रणाम. स्टेज पे उपस्थित सभी बड़ों को मेरा प्यार. बच्चे लोग, आप लोग सुन रहे नहीं सुन रहे, देख रहे नहीं देख रहे, मालूम नहीं. 50 डिग्री हुआ है, 60 डिग्री होने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा, जल के मरेंगे. अभी भी सुधर जाओ तो अच्छा है भाई लोग. अपने लिए नहीं, अपने छोटे बच्चे लोग आए उनके लिए झाड़ लगाने की कोशिश करो और दिमाग शांत रखो. कोशिश करो एनवायरनमेंट जैसा बामला बाबा बताते रहते, हर साल नहीं, हर 3 महीने में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते, वैसे करते रहे वो. और आप लोग भी करो साथ में मिलके. एक का ही काम नहीं है, सबका काम है बॉस. वी ऑल आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर व्हाट वी आर लीविंग बिहाइंड फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. कोई इंग्लिश समझ में आता है, पीछे वाले को नहीं आता हुआ तो नहीं, कुछ सुना तो सुना ठीक, नहीं सुना तो नहीं सुना, मगर झाड़ लगा रहे. देख कहाँ से झाड़ निकल रहे, ले बाज देख ले. अगर अभी नहीं निकालेंगे झाड़, हर जगह से तुम्हारे झाड़ ही होना चाहिए. ऑटो रिक्शा में होना चाहिए, समझा. ऑटो रिक्शा भर के होना चाहिए. सब ऑटो रिक्शा में लगाओ, मैं तो बोलता हूँ. और मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि उनकी यूनियन से बात करके दे दूं. बाकी आप बड़े सब लोगों को, बाल्की साहब थैंक यू, शान सुपर, थैंक यू मैम, थँक यू बॉडीज,
थँक यू. जगू दादा.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र. जास्त टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, झाडं लावायचं.
I request R. Balki ji, please, sir, few words on exactly the beautiful campaign which you created on Bhumi Namaskar.
I don't think I could have said it better than what Jackie has done. But I think just one thing, we all say namaskar to a lot of people, a lot of things every day. At least sometimes, let's just do namaskar to the earth. And that's all this campaign is. I hope you all know what has to be done. The number of things that need to be really urgently addressed. And Mr. Bamla will tell you this every 3 months, every day of the year. And I just want to say, the World Environment Day is not one day; it's every day of our lives.
Thank you, Mr.
Very well
Balki ji.
said.
And I request Mr. Gaur Gopal Das ji to please share your thoughts on this wonderful day.
It's my great pleasure, privilege, and honor to be here this evening, and I want to thank Mr. Asif Bamla and the Bamla Foundation to give me this opportunity to be here this evening. My respects to all the dignitaries present here on the stage and off the dais as well. And let me just tell you a quick story that probably tells us what we need to do in regards to environment and our life as well. Once a teacher asked a class of 7-year-olds and gave them an assignment. The assignment was, he said, I want all of you to write a sentence. And the kids thought that's not a big deal. Yeah, but my condition is, it should be a sentence of 10 words. The kid said, that's not a big deal as well, writing a sentence of 10 words. The teacher said, but I want each word to be a 2-lettered word. If, be, to, me. So 10 words in a sentence, but each word to be only 2 letters. Now the kids were thinking it's a difficult assignment. And then the teacher said, most important of all, I want it to be a meaningful sentence. Otherwise you could say, if be, me, to, but. If be, me, to, is. The kids scratched their heads and they just couldn't come to a conclusion. And finally the teacher wrote on the board the first 5 words of the 10-worded sentence. If it is to be. If it is to be. And the kids were wondering what are the next 5 words of the sentence. And the teacher wrote on the board, if it is to be, and the next 5 words were, it is up to me. If it is to be, it is up to me, right? If we are wanting the environment to change, don't think the other person. Our Jackie Dada says all the time, "Jhad patti lagane ka bidu." Make some loud noise for Jackie Dada, guys. And he said so beautifully that it's not one person's responsibility; it is our responsibility together to make that change, so the future will be bright. My congratulations to Balki sir and the entire team for coming up with this Bhumi Namaskar campaign. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your every statement, what you say is very thoughtful, and we follow you. I request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please say a few words.
On behalf of Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, I wish all the best and my best compliments on this World Environment Day program. We are very proud to associate ourselves with Bhamla Foundation, who have been doing this phenomenal job. As a Mumbaikar, you may take a pride with the fact that ours is the first city of India which has done the climate budgeting. Now you may ask, what is that climate budgeting? So I'm not going to describe the technical details, but as Guruji just said, if it is to be, then we have to be there. So it is up to me. जाकी दादाने आपल्याला सगळ्यांना सांगितलं झाड लावा. मी त्याच्या पुढे जाऊन एक पाऊल सांगतो की झाड लावा आणि झाड जगवा. So thank you very much and I wish all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And BMC is actually doing amazing job. I would request to sir to please felicitate few of our important recipient of the awards. आपने देखा होगा कि there are people who are actually working towards environment, but there are people actually fighting for the right thing. कुछ दिनों पहले कुछ हादसा हुआ and the women came out on street to fight for the right. The bravery award goes to Ravina Tandon ji to please come on stage for all the good work fighting for a common man. Ravina Tandon ji to please manch par aaye, Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadish Godrej to please give away the award, and Mrs. Pallavi Choksi ji for all the good work for the environment she has been doing. ये गांव-गांव जाकर के लोगों के बीच में And this award by Mr. Nadir Godrej and all to Pallavi ji. Yeah, I just, yeah. Thank you so much. अब मैं Rushabh and Vardhaman Choksi to please join this. Few more felicitation. I would request Mrs. Neha Jaktiani ji also to please come and award and receive the award from Mr. Nadir Godrej and Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Team Bestseller to please come up and receive the award from Bestseller. Team Mufti, Mr. Tushar Malhotra ji from Bisleri to please receive this award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej ji from Bisleri. This award by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to Neha Jaktiani ji. Subodh Runwal from Runwal Group are requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal, the chairman of Runwal Group, is requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal. High back say we have Shreya to please receive the award. Shreya and Asif to receive the award from High back. Mr. Inder Kataria from Everglow to receive this Sustainable Award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, Everglow. Everglow. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to felicitate Mr. Inder Kataria. I will request Rashi Khanna ji to give away this award
The other award.
to HMA Group. Sorry, to Mr. To the High back. Please come. Mr. Danish Khan to receive the HMA award. Mr. Danish bhai, please आइए. HMA award for the sustainable partner of Bhamla Foundation.
And once again, we'd request Ms. Rashi to kindly present this set of award as well.
And a very special award given to by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani.
We'd request Ms. Rashi to kindly present the award to Mr. Danish.
From Lalani Group.
Mr. Shan Lalwani from Vruksh. We'd request Mr. Shan Lalwani from Vruksh to kindly come on stage.
Mr. Subodh Runwal ji says big round of applause for the Runwal Group. Okay, Ravina ji, please.
थी आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं. कहाँ गए आसिफ भामला जी? इनको मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी. मैंने ये जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट डे का फंक्शन है उसके जन्म से देखा है और आज तक, and it only gets bigger and better, and congratulations to you और आपकी मेहनत को. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ravina ji. I request Parvez Lakdawala ji to please come on stage. Parvez bhai, please आप stage पर आएं. I welcome Fardeen and Taha who are sitting in the audience. I'll be calling you guys. And Ritvik is also there. I can see you guys. A very, very big round of applause for these superstars. These superstars of the Hira Mandi are here. So I'm just going to be calling you all in the next round. So, and Fardeen, people want to see you more.
I would request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani to please felicitate Mr. Subodh Runwal ji with this beautiful sapling. And Bhushan ji to please present this award. So Zordar Talia, I mean, I request, I know Sister Snehanjali, the Ganesh, the cleanathon which we did, which the Carmel Convent had really contributed a lot, along with the newest principal, and obviously she's doing amazing, and we're getting a lot of compliment from all the students, the kind of discipline she has actually created in the school. And I would request to say a few words on this World Environment Day.
A very good evening to each of you present here. A heartiest congratulations to Mr. Asif and Mehraj for all their contribution when it comes to environment. You all are doing a commendable job, and we are very happy to be a part of this foundation and do our small bit to save this Mother Earth of ours. Thank you very much, and may God continue to bless you for all the good that you are doing.
Good evening, friends. Good evening to all of you. First and foremost, we would like to thank the organizing committee for inviting us this evening to appreciate our small effort. But at the same time, it is each one's individual responsibility. All of us are just now experiencing the global effect of global warming. I think if each individual
लोग के बीच में वो जागरूकता फैलाती है ताकि हम एनवायरनमेंट की इम्पोर्टेंस समझे और एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर के हम वो ऐसे छोटे छोटे कदम उठाए जो मिल करके एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी धरती पे पड़ता है. आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ आवर गेस्ट जान खान हमारे बहुत ही हमारे छोटे भाई एंड एक्चुअली हिज टीम बामला फाउंडेशन इज हियर विद मी. आप देखोगे कि आज की तारीख में चुके हैं और जान भाई विद द फाउंडेशन आई थिंक आज 2 साल हो गए और हमारे हर कॉज में हमारे साथ आते हैं. पर आपको पता है गर्मी लग रही है, आपको क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रियल है. आपके थॉट्स और वैसी कौन सी चीज़ें आप करते हैं जिससे कि आपको लगता है कि आपके कंट्रीब्यूशन से पर्यावरण में डेफिनेटली फर्क आएगा?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much, my dimple guy, Raj bhai, for having me here. I want to thank Asif bhai for this initiative. You know, this is मतलब मैं जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. आप environment को इतना सेफ रखते हैं, लोगों को आप बार बार बताते रहते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. It's all against the plastic and all. So guys, please, हम जितनी अपनी धरती माँ को क्लीन रखेंगे उतने खुद को क्लीन रख पाएंगे. So मैं यही आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग ऐसी चीज़ें कंटिन्यू रखें और हमारे देश को स्वच्छ भारत बनाएं. ऑलरेडी है और अच्छा बनाएं और हम तरक्कियों की ऊंचाई ऑलरेडी छू रहे हैं. And I'm really happy कि नरेंद्र मोदी is back with a bang. So let's just give it up for our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, guys, please. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू जान भाई. प्लीज यहाँ पर रुके. मैं चाहूंगा आरिफ भाई हमारे जो किंगडम ऑफ यूएन के सैपलिंग जान खान को अपने हाथों से दे. प्लीज आइए. और दानिश भाई आप भी प्लीज मंच पे ऊपर आए. From HMA Group, one of the directors of HMA Group, to please come on stage and present this small sapling to our dearest Zan Khan.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for all of our delegates and artists who are there on stage, जो हर बार हमारे साथ खड़े रहते हैं, हमारी मदद करते हैं in an initiative that is for you all and for us and for the environment.
Thank you Arif bhai and thank you Zan bhai for all the love, support and keep supporting it.
Thank you so much Asif sir, Miraj bhai, for all the love. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और अल्लाह पाक आपको ऐसी खूब तरक्की दे ऊपर वाला आप लोगों को और हम सबको ऐसे अच्छा रखे.
आपने बहुत सारी बातें बताई लेकिन आपने ये नहीं बताई कि आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की ऐसी कौन सी हैबिट है जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए भी अच्छी है.
I don't use plastic. So basically, the best part, I don't use plastic. And let's just give it up for our rock star Seher.
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां
Seher.
for Seher.
Seher, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Single-use plastic actually is really bad for our hair, for our mother nature. All the lovely faces have been joining this campaign. So yes, Madhya, we have spoken about environment, we've spoken about single-use plastic. Now let's talk about Bhumi Namaskar. So जैसे आप जानते हैं कि बामला फाउंडेशन हर साल जब ये थीम which comes from the UN when we celebrate World Environment Day every year, like last year we had the beat plastic pollution. This year we spoke about generation restoration. Now when we talk about generation restoration, we Samir Dada, please come, Samir Dada, Arun, Inder and Afaq to give away this small sapling to Paras Kalawat. थैंक यू। अब मैं चाहूंगा कि आसिफ बामला जी, पारस जी